Hello again. In this video I will show how to skip the object in case if you got some fail part on the build plate or like I got, as you can see there's a multiple same objects. So as you can see in the here in Bamboo A1 video, this already failed part. So on the Bamboo you can skip only on the up but not on the software, at least I don't know where. So for Creality, obviously if you use Creality slicer, just scroll down and then you need just, as you can see, there's all objects which gonna be printed. Then you click on the one object which you want to skip, click on, and then you can see in here is the message to exclude the object. All you have to do is just click OK, and as you can see the object will be skipped. And then later on when it's gonna print, you can see it's already near to the next object. So let's a little bit speed it up the video, and you will see there is no, it won't print any object in that place. So it's quite useful thing, you know, if you're printing multiple same objects or you're printing the many parts on the plate and one of the objects just fails or because of the bad acquisition or something like that. So you can easily just click on and skip it. So that's pretty much it in this video. So thanks for the watching and see you in next videos.